You want to be an entrepreneur. You want freedom. You want to be your own boss. And guess what? You don't need a warehouse full of stuff to do it. Welcome to the world of dropshipping. Dropshipping is like selling lemonade without squeezing the lemons. You create an online store, find awesome products from suppliers, and sell them at a markup. The best part? The supplier handles storage and shipping. You focus on what matters: marketing, selling, and building your brand. This is your complete guide to crushing it with Shopify Dropshipping. We'll cover everything from setting up your store to finding winning products, marketing like a champ, and scaling to the moon. Get ready to hustle. Shopify is your online store's foundation, the bedrock upon which your e-commerce dreams can be built. It's easy to use, powerful, and has all the tools you need to succeed, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. Think of it like your online storefront, inventory manager, and marketing hub, all rolled into one seamless platform. First, sign up for a Shopify account. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few minutes. They offer a free trial so you can test the waters risk-free and explore all the features. Next, choose a theme that aligns with your brand. There are countless options to reflect your unique style. Your theme is like your store's design template, setting the tone for your customer's shopping experience. Make it sleek and professional to instill confidence in your visitors. Now, it's time to customize. Tailor every aspect to fit your brand's identity. Add your logo, choose colors that resonate with your brand, and create compelling product descriptions. Make sure your store is easy to navigate, with clear categories and intuitive design. Customers should be able to find what they're looking for in seconds, enhancing their shopping experience. Remember, clarity over complexity always wins. A simple, straightforward shopping experience is key to success. Your niche is the specific market you'll target. It's like finding your tribe. The key is to pick a niche you're passionate about, and that has high demand. Passion fuels your hustle, and demand drives sales. Do your research. Use tools like Google Trends, Amazon bestsellers, and social media to identify trending products and passionate communities. Look for products with wow factor, something unique, problem-solving, or shareable. Remember, competition can be a good sign. It means there's a market for it. But aim for a niche with room for your unique brand and voice. What can you offer that others don't? Find your edge. Your supplier is your business partner in dropshipping. They handle inventory, packaging, and shipping, allowing you to focus on selling. Choose wisely. Your supplier's reliability directly impacts your customer's satisfaction. Look for suppliers with a proven track record, positive reviews, and excellent communication. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Do they offer fast shipping? What's their return policy like? Transparency is key. Platforms like AliExpress, Salehoo, and Spocket are great places to find dropshipping suppliers. Always order samples to check product quality and shipping times before partnering with a supplier. Your reputation depends on it. Adding and optimizing your inventory. Adding products to your store should be strategic, not random. Each product description should be compelling, informative, and SEO optimized. Remember, you're selling benefits, not just features. High-quality images are crucial. Use professional product photos that showcase your products from multiple angles. Include lifestyle images to help customers envision themselves using your product. Don't forget about product reviews. Social proof builds trust. Encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews. Address negative reviews professionally and use them as opportunities for improvement. This is where the real fun begins. You've got a killer store and amazing products, but having great products isn't enough. Now it's time to get people talking. Word of mouth and buzz are crucial. This is where your marketing magic comes in. It's all about strategy and execution. Remember, content is king, and engagement is queen. They rule the digital kingdom. Social media is your best friend. It's a powerful tool to reach a wide audience. Use platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok to connect with your target audience. These platforms are where your customers spend their time. Create engaging content that provides value, sparks curiosity, and showcases your brand's personality. Authenticity is key. Paid advertising can also be a game changer. It amplifies your reach. Platforms like Facebook ads and Google ads allow you to target your ideal customer with laser-like precision. You can reach exactly who you want. Start small, test, and scale what works. It's all about optimization. Don't underestimate the power of email marketing. It's a direct line to your customers. Build an email list and use it to nurture relationships with potential and existing customers. Personalization makes a big difference. Offer exclusive discounts, share valuable content, and keep your brand top of mind. Consistency is crucial for long-term success. Now it's time to fulfill that order like a pro. Efficient order fulfillment is crucial for customer satisfaction and repeat business. Once an order is placed, notify your supplier and provide them with the customer's shipping information. Keep your customers in the loop with order updates and tracking information. Communication is key. Consider offering multiple shipping options to cater to different needs and budgets. Fast, reliable shipping can be a major selling point. Ready to level up? Scaling your dropshipping business is about working smarter, not harder. It's about building systems that allow your business to grow without you being the bottleneck. Automate as much as possible. Use tools to automate tasks like order fulfillment, email marketing, and social media scheduling. This frees up your time to focus on strategic growth. Consider expanding your product line, targeting new niches, or even partnering with influencers to reach a wider audience. The possibilities are endless. Dropshipping isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt. There will be challenges along the way, but don't let them discourage you. One common pitfall is poor product quality or unreliable suppliers. That's why vetting your suppliers thoroughly is crucial. Another challenge is managing customer expectations around shipping times. Be transparent and communicate clearly. Remember, success leaves clues. Learn from your mistakes, adapt to changing trends, and never stop innovating. The dropshipping landscape is constantly evolving, so stay ahead of the curve. Want to take your dropshipping game to the next level? Here are some advanced strategies to give you an edge in the competitive market. Build a brand, not just a store. Your brand is your identity. Focus on creating a unique brand identity that resonates deeply with your target audience. This fosters loyalty and sets you apart from the competition. Offer exceptional customer service to stand out. Go above and beyond to provide a positive customer experience that leaves a lasting impression. Respond to inquiries promptly, resolve issues efficiently, and show genuine care in every interaction. Master the art of upselling and cross-selling to maximize your revenue. Offer complimentary products or premium versions to increase your average order value. Embrace data and analytics for better decision-making. Track your key metrics, analyze your results, and use data to inform your decisions. Data is your best friend. Never stop learning and growing. The journey of e-commerce is continuous. The e-commerce landscape is constantly evolving, and so should you. Stay up to date with the latest trends, technologies, and strategies to stay ahead of the curve. You've reached the end of this dropshipping crash course, but your journey is just beginning. Now it's time to put your newfound knowledge into action. Remember, success favors the bold, the persistent, and the adaptable. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Embrace them as learning opportunities. Surround yourself with a supportive community of fellow entrepreneurs. And most importantly, never give up on your dreams. The world of e-commerce is yours to conquer. So what are you waiting for? Start building your dropshipping empire today.